Measure angle with protractor. Hello friends, today we learn about how to measure angle with protractor. This is an angle. We measure this angle with the protractor. This is a protractor. This is the edge line on a protractor. This is the midpoint on protractor. The markings start from 0 degree on the right hand side and end with the 180 degree on left hand side from the midpoint of protractor. Same, the markings start from 0 degree on the left hand side and end with the 180 degree on right hand side from the midpoint of protractor. The curved edge of protractor divided in 180 equal parts. Each part represents degree. We measure the angle with this protractor from 0 to 180 degree. Consider the straight edge of protractor with ray AB. Place the midpoint of protractor on the vertex of an angle at A. Start reading on protractor from 0 degree mark coinciding with the edge of protractor. It is equal to 60 degree. So we measure angle BAC. Angle BAC equal to 60 degree. We take one more example. Place the midpoint of protractor on vertex A. Place the edge of protractor on ray AC. Coincide the ray AC with the edge of protractor. Start reading from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this angle is a 40 degree. Angle BAC equal to 40 degree. I hope this video helped you to learn how to measure angle. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.